Welcome to MacTag TV. We're here to present the Giovanni Couture collection. It's an absolutely beautiful high-low dress, and the reason it's a high-low is because it's going to be short onto the fronts, and both of your legs are going to show. It's great because if you want to do, if you want to dance or anything like this, it's actually going to be more comfortable than a regular dress. But because the fabric falls onto the side, it is still considered to me like a long dress. Your legs are going to show completely because it's also a tulle, and you have this very elastic, like very flexible, I'm sorry, not elastic, very flexible wires right here that are curling. It's very pretty. It's kind of like spiral, right? So it's a very comfortable dress as well. That's something you have to know. The side of the dress has the flower reminding the bottom of the dress, and look at the detailing of this beautiful little flower right here. You have this crystal work that's reminding the bustier line. You have black, you have silver and crystal sequence. Beautiful dress. So let's look at the back. The back of the dress will have the zipper onto the center, and everything is ruched, of course, so it's going to be very flattering onto the back and onto the front. As this dress is in parallel waistline high-low, it's going to be flattering on most of the bodies. So if you have any questions about how to accessorize this beautiful dress or where to wear this dress, always give us a call and we'll be happy to assist you. If you want to have more tips about hair, makeup, handbags, anything, where to wear this dress, etc., go on www.mactagmark.com. Thank you.